Spot Robot is a Boston Dynamics agile mobile robot that can navigate terrains with unprecedented mobility. It provides cutting-edge technology to automate processes and improve productivity and safety on the job site. The robot can be steered with a separate controller, and it can pass through difficult conditions outdoors, indoors, and on the stairs. Therefore, by doing the dirty and dangerous work at construction sites, Spot can assist in improving construction staff safety. In fact, with sufficient bandwidth, Spot can be controlled from anywhere in the world. Various camera and scanner devices can be installed on top of Spot. Through the use of this robot, the need to schedule countless hours of walking and waiting for scans and measurements at construction sites can be reduced. It can be left on site overnight, and it can automatically tour and scan the site. When the staff arrives on site, a snapshot of its status is ready for the project management. In closing, Spot Robot introduces an advanced and innovative way of doing things at construction sites while improving productivity and workers' safety.